Hi guys, so I just vacuumed a little while ago, and I'm still sitting in the canister, and there's a whole bunch of dust in there. So that's kind of silly. Oh my gosh. Sometimes annoying when you put it back on, but anyways, let's just get back to the video. Okay, so this one works pretty good. Yeah, it has a lot of attachments, built-in hose. Release handle. It's got this cup. It's got a all-nut slits. Got a release pedal. It's got an 18-foot cord. I'm not really going to see the model number right now, but I just don't really feel like it. So yeah, this is my Sort Now Gear Deluxe. This one has a lot, well, not much, but it's still a pretty good vacuum. It's got all of its attachments. Again, the hose, stable hose, kind of, and the handle cannot release because you have to unscrew it. That's kind of annoying. It's got the 25-foot cord, all the attachments. It's got another hose down there. This is annoying. It's a struggle. And there. Yeah. And it's got a double. Yeah. So here's the double. And again, it's got the the hose, 25-foot cord, wand or handle. It's got a release power button. This one goes to in the swivel steering head. You just step on it and just swivel. So that's cool. And the black decor. This one has the 11-foot cord, release handle, and no hose or any attachments. But I doesn't really care. And I don't care if there's no attachments for that one, but I'm still gonna use it, so yeah. Alright, that was my So that's my short vacuum video, and yeah, so I'll see you in the next video.